What's up, y'all? It's poppin'. It's D. About to react to this vid by Creep Caught. This is disturbing moments caught on doorbell camera. These videos are really interesting and it's very eye-opening about how you could just easily get robbed. People are plotting on you, watching you through your windows. But yeah, I react to the first part over on my second channel, D Reaction. So I'm gonna keep it up and do this next part. So yeah, let's see how this goes. Let's watch.
This doorbell video shows two weird women approaching a home's door. They appeared to be looking for their lost laptop. The woman in the back is especially untrustworthy because it appears like she is hiding something in her waistband. The resident finally asks them through the camera after patiently awaiting their request. He learns from the woman that her laptop was in his home, according to an app on her phone.
Girl, get the hell off my porch.
Hello?
Yes, my laptop is here. Can I please retrieve that?
What?
Your laptop is here?
Why would your laptop be in my house?
He explains that he doesn't even know her and sounds confused. I don't even know you.
Yeah, I know. Well, I just did a find my phone thing, and it's apparently here at this residence.
I have no idea how it would be here. I'm sorry.
He's being accused of stealing and lying by the woman. She continues to act stubborn until the man tells her that he will call the cops.
I don't know how it would be here. I don't even know you.
No, I know that. That's what people do to steal. But if you want me to...
I don't know. I have no idea. I don't have a laptop. I'm going to go ahead and call the police right now then.
Yeah, I'm sure you will. Okay. Thanks.
The woman finally backs off a bit. Eventually, she leaves without creating more disturbance. This doorbell video shows a hilariously wild woman in action. She approaches the vehicle and asks what is going on. She keeps saying the same thing even though the question did not make any sense. She then abruptly extends her hand as though she were attempting to open the car's door.
Oh, this in Richmond, the ghetto.
What's going on here? Okay? You have people in here? Okay? What's going on here?
The sudden encounter is unclear, and the resident seemed confused. She asks the same question as she slowly approaches the front door.
Okay, I don't know what's going on like that. Police, yeah? You know who I am? You know who I am? You know who I am? I don't know nothing. Huh? Huh?
What the hell?
Huh? Dang. Whew.
It's
For what?
crack cocaine.
You know who I am? You know who I am?
No, lady.
Hey, what happened? In my house. You know who I am? What's going on here?
Despite the fact that nothing had occurred, it appears that she is irritated with the resident. This wicked woman was caught on a doorbell video breaking into a house and stealing the resident's grandson's toy car.
Girl, you ain't shit. And trying to befriend the dog. Why are you stealing this child's toy? What your big ass gonna do with it? You can't even fit on it.
The resident lets his dog loose on the woman in an attempt to frighten her, but she shows no signs of fear.
I mean, this dog is not
Instead, she makes an
intimidating.
effort to pet and cuddle the
He's
dog.
clearly wagging his tail. This is your defense dog? Better get you a German Shepherd. Oh, this is not nobody's guard dog. He making friends with the crackhead. Ain't that about a bitch?
The resident approaches the gate from the outside and waits for her to step inside so he may catch her and file a trespassing report against her. The man assures her that he will contact the police as they come face to face.
Catch her ass. Fuck out of here. Look, he's just watching her.
Calling the police.
I'm so sorry. I came here to take a picture of this truck.
Girl,
Sorry?
What do you want of us?
get your bum ass out my backyard.
I get back and I have a key. And I'm trying to get rid of it.
I don't care. You don't have to get in my home.
In an attempt to appear innocent, the woman apologizes and frames the incident by explaining that she simply wanted to take a photo. This doorbell footage captures a creepy woman trying to enter the house in Casey, South Carolina at 5:54 a.m.
She looked drunk, to be fair. She's confused where she is. But still, you're gonna fuck up. Get off my porch before you get shot. They're like, what are you doing? You don't live here.
She seems casual about it and tries to open the door with a key as well. This shows the importance of locking doors before sleeping. There are many creeps just waiting to break into your house.
Well, yeah.
This doorbell video shows a young man approaching the door, knocking on it, and then waiting for the owner. The incident took place on a bright day. The man asks the resident if the lawn needs to be cut. The man eventually departs after she politely declines his offer.
I'm sorry to interrupt you. I was just wondering if y'all need our grass cut.
Oh, we're good.
Okay.
It looks like we did, but we'll do. Thank you.
Have a nice.
However, he enters the lawn a short while afterward. Given that the
Wow.
only difference is that he removed his jacket, it appears to be the same
Covering his
man.
face,
He covers his face with the jacket and then keeps looking around the lawn.
as if we don't know. What are you doing?
He drags the lawnmower and starts to steal it, despite the fact that the scene appears hazy.
What the fuck? Stealing a lawnmower.
A doorbell camera caught this crazed woman. She immediately acts violently and begins ranting at the resident after the latter declined her request.
Oh.
The man standing next to her begins to take control of the situation. She repeatedly kicks the door and yells aggressively at the resident.
Why are you touching her like that?
Be careful, please. You're full, please. Mama. Relax, please. Mama. Please. I know. Come on.
Y'all both weird.
She is stopped and dragged away by the male buddy. The two people can be seen vanishing from view. This large, towering man was caught on a doorbell video late at night. The suspicious man is greeted at the entrance by a woman. When he inquires about the time, the visibly upset woman requests that she depart. The man apologizes after confirming that it is private property.
He is on drugs for
Do you know
sure.
what time it is?
70 on the porch.
Period.
It's private property.
Yes, it is.
I apologize. So sorry.
He enters the garage as he walks out. When he explains that he has his things in the garage, the lady requests him to stop.
Please. No, leave the property.
What?
And go.
He is told to pack up his belongings and leave the grounds. In Memphis, Tennessee, two brothers were captured in a doorbell footage. One of them was caught by the police the previous day, but they were back together at this house where they lost something. What they lost was apparently their weapons. They knock at the
What?
residence and ask the man if they could go and search for them in the backyard, since they dropped them while running away from the police.
What? This is ghetto.
No, they have.
What's up?
Hey, motherfucker done ran from the police the other day. They ran y'all backyard. We just looking for our gun, big bro.
What?
I said, my brother and them lost their guns in your backyard yesterday. They were running from the police. Can we look in your backyard to find them?
The police was already one.
Yeah, go ahead and look right quick.
We ain't know
he let
shit,
him.
bro. We just trying to find our guns.
Go ahead and look right quick. I'm looking at y'all.
The man asks them to search quickly and leave. They seem to head toward the backyard. This bold guy was caught in a doorbell camera going through the owner's car. He even turned on the light and seems to be searching around for stuff.
Wow.
He manages to get something interesting and then exits the car. As soon as he backs off the porch, a woman and a man, who are seemingly the residents, were heard yelling and stopping the guy.
Y'all, it's too late. Damn. These people are trifling as hell. Those dudes, I don't know if I would have wanted them to search my backyard, but it's like, if you say no, what if they like, all right, bet, we about to come with some other guns that we got, and now we on your ass because you didn't let us get our guns that we dropped when we was running from the police. You know, so I kind of understand why they were like, sure, go check, but make it quick. Because it's like, they seem dangerous. So you kind of don't want to piss them off. You know, they saying they looking for their guns. They might come with their new guns. Rob me and then still take the guns. You know, so yeah, I probably would have said the same thing. Like, make it quick. Hurry up. This was wild though. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Let me know what other videos you want to watch, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye.